Hi everybody, this is Hands That Cook, and my name is Linda. And today we're going to make, excuse me, swimming in butter biscuits. Now I've already gotten a little ahead of you. I got 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt in this bowl. And I'm mixing it up. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of buttermilk. This is full strength. Hopefully. We do a lot of shopping at Aldi's, and the only buttermilk they sell is low fat. So I always have to go to another store to get my buttermilk. Now I'm going to mix this just until a soft dough forms. Don't over mix it. I'll get some off the bottom here. Get every drop of that buttermilk out of there. Alright, I think that's got it. Now, I melted in an 8x8 glass bowl. I melted 1 stick of butter. And you've got to make sure the sides are high enough that the dough doesn't overflow them. I'm going to put this dough in the butter. Ooh, a lot of dough. And I made some of that 1950s soup a few days ago, and I have some left over, and I didn't want to waste it, so I thought these would be good because when I originally made it I had cornbread, but now I want to try these swimming in butter biscuits. So that's what I'm going to do right here. Let me see. Can you see me? There you go. Alright, I'm going to spread this out on the butter. Get it in the corners. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Now, I'm going to try to, it says cut these into 9 biscuits. So cut them the best I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Now, I'm going to put these in the 450-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And when they're done, I'm going to bring them out and show them to you. And we'll be back. Well, my biscuits are done. And they absorbed all that butter. Not until I took them out of the oven. When I took them out of the oven, the butter just went up into the biscuit. I cut one out. And they look good. It took mine a little over 20 minutes. 22, 23 minutes. So let's see. Oh my goodness. You know, I thought 4 teaspoons of baking powder was too much, but evidently it wasn't. They are very good. You all gotta try this recipe. Well, here's my soup. And there's my biscuit. Sam's not here to taste it, but you can take my word for it. They're delicious. They really are. Be sure and check the expired date on your baking powder, because if it's expired, it's no good and the recipe won't turn out. So I hope you try this recipe. I hope you love it, because it is so good. Let me scoot down here. Get a close-up of the biscuits. It's an excellent, excellent, easy recipe to go with soup or stew or any meal that you want to have. Thank you for coming in today and spending part of your day with me. I always appreciate it. And hello to my new subs and my old subs. Thank you so much for being so good to me. I appreciate it. I really do. So until next time, which I hope won't be too long, I've got a good dessert for you. You all take care. And may God bless every one of you.